Apple is set to unveil its brand new M5 iPad Pro in October 2025, and excitement is already building. This year's model may look almost the same on the outside, but the upgrades under the hood are where the real magic lies. One of the biggest highlights is the display. Both the 11-inch and 13-inch models now feature 120Hz OLED screens, offering brighter, sharper, and more vibrant visuals with peak brightness reaching 2000 nits. Apple has also improved scratch resistance and color accuracy, ensuring that whether you're working, watching, or gaming, the screen delivers stunning quality. Another major improvement comes in the front-facing camera system. Apple has introduced two separate 12-megapixel selfie cameras, one for portrait mode and one for landscape. This means you no longer have to rotate the iPad when recording awkwardly, and on the larger 13-inch model, that's a huge convenience. Unlike Apple's square sensor trick on the iPhone, this dual camera setup makes use of every pixel, ensuring better image quality. Inside, the iPad Pro gets a powerful boost with the M5 chip built on TSMC's 3nm N3P process, improved graphics, and a much stronger neural engine for AI-driven tasks. Every model comes with 16GB of RAM and storage options up to 2TB, making it ideal for professionals, gamers, and creators. Connectivity is also future-proof with Wi-Fi 7, 5G on cellular models, and Bluetooth 5.4. Interestingly, Apple has chosen to use a Qualcomm modem instead of its in-house solution, which might surprise some fans. On the back, you'll find a familiar 12-megapixel camera paired with a 3D LiDAR scanner, largely unchanged from last year. Design-wise, Apple has kept things very familiar, with only slightly slimmer bezels. The bezels remain visible to make space for the dual selfie cameras, but otherwise, the look and color options are the same as before. Apple's reasoning is simple. If the design works and people like it, there's no need to change it just for the sake of change. Battery life remains the same too, with the 11-inch packing a 7538 mAh cell and the 13-inch carrying a 10290 mAh one. Both models will ship with iPadOS 26, offering software enhancements designed to take advantage of the new hardware for smoother performance and productivity. Pricing starts at $999 for the 11-inch version and $1,299 for the 13-inch, which keeps them in line with last year's models. While the outside may feel familiar, the inside tells a very different story. Between the OLED upgrade, dual selfie cameras, and the raw power of the M5 chip, this year's iPad Pro looks like a serious upgrade for anyone who uses their iPad for work, creativity, or entertainment. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.